Hi friends, good morning. Today I would like to discuss about data frames in Pandas. So, Pandas has a beautiful data type to store rows and column wise data, guys. Okay, so which is data frame? Okay, so a data frame is nothing but the tabular data type to store tabular content. Cut short, it is nothing but the collection of series in pandas. I think you know about series in pandas, right? So likewise, a data type, a data frame can store series of data. Like for example, students data is available. For example, students data is like student ID, student name, okay, student section, student marks. Okay, these are the four attributes of the particular student. So the data will be 1 to 5, like 5 students data I'm maintaining in a tabular format. So for this, I'll design a data frame for this and let you know how it is going and all. So for that, what we need to do? Import pandas as PD. Now we have to create a variable called students. So what we need to do? PD dot data frame of here you have to know about two things. One is you have to provide a set of values. Okay, so this is nothing but a set. In that set, I have to notify in such a way that what is the column name and what are the values. For that column name, I am giving like first student ID. Next, you have to put the column and in the list you have to provide the numbers for that student IDs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now go to the next one. Create the next column or next series. It is a student name. Student name is you have to provide as like list, right? So the list will be like these are the 5 student names. And now I'm going to store another column called student marks. Okay, so you have to provide the marks for each student. 100 marks, 200 marks, 150 marks, 250 marks, 200 marks. Okay, so now the complete data structure is created in the form of data frame. Now print students. Save this program and execute. See, the beautiful output is in the form of a table. Okay. See the student IDs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's a student names Ramesh, Suresh, Johnny, Rajesh, Hanu, and student marks 100, 200, 150, 250, 200. This is how a simple data frame is created. Thank you guys. Thank you for being